Welcome back to my door. Yep. Trying to fix this door. Just looking at this isn't too far off here. Need to trim a little bit there, trim a bit there. I think it'll make a fairly decent door bottom. Just checking the curvature. It needs to pull down. We need to make sure we twist it down. So I've got to drill holes first, and we've got to remember to do that. And then we'll work on some of the bottom stuff once we've repaired the bottom section. Just trying to see how that. Do with another door really, or another frame of a door that I could chop the top off. That would be the other option. So I could find another door. We could have a completely rotten bottom, but we could then just top this top frame out. Yes, we'll have a think. Alright, let's clean this up and get this tacked on, the top part, or bottom part, and go from there. That's all we can do, isn't it? All we can do. Because yeah, that all needs cutting out there. Ooh, got old door skin there. Got to watch foreskins, a bit sharp. Alright, let's rub a hose like that. Yeah. Let's go. I think I might square this off a little bit just so it's easier to put a patch in. Yeah, we'll do that as well. Angle grinder, Hazel my lovely. Okie dokie. Got the ends tacked. Next thing now is to get some plug welds along here. Then we can finish off repairing the end sections where we don't have enough repair panel to do that. I think this door should have been thrown in the bin really, but we're going to keep going, we're going to keep going. What's the worst that could happen? Alright, plug welds. Not sure if anyone just saw that, a small fire. Always you get that burning smell, you think that's not just weld, that smells like flames. So yeah, plastic bin bags start to catch alight. Be careful guys out there, do this in a clean environment. Alright, got that mostly welded on now. A little bit of filler on some of the joins, be fine. I'll see what it all looks like after sandblasting anyway. So yeah, gonna move around now. Attach that. I might leave that loose. This is like the supporting bracket there. It welds through, so what we'll do is we'll cut a hole in this panel that we're going to put in here, but actually we'll weld it once it's on, once the skin's bolted on, and this is bolted on tight. We can then get a spot weld on it with the hinges bolted on. So let's see if we can make one of these little bits up before we call it a night. Okay, that's another bit repaired. I've left a gap there because obviously I expect you saw I forgot to drill the hole, so I can still get a weld through to that, and that will weld the bracket on the back. So yeah, repaired that. Should all be good, hopefully. So yeah, still got a lot more to do. This should be a fairly simple fix. This is just cut that out, flat sheet, build some more of it up. So yeah, still the trickiest problem I've got is repairing this channel. And also the bottom of the back edge of that. I have to see if we've got anything that's similar, or we might have to make it out a couple of bits to try and get that ridge along there. I'll have to see if I've got any old panels that have got something that's half close to it. But we'll just have to give it a go. I think we can do something with it. I think we can. Yeah. Alright guys, yeah. Door's slightly more solid. It's cold now, I'm going inside.